Okay, this is the guy I'm going to change out right here. Alright. This is going to be the third time. They're having trouble with the temperature sender. And so hopefully it works this time. Okay, releasing the water pressure. Lasts a little bit longer because I have 3 accumulators. Okay, in preparation of everything,
okay, and I'm just going to
you
leave
gotta
that open.
throw some towels in here because there will be water spilling. So you need something to absorb up some moisture. So I think that's good for me right there. So I'm going to take this guy off right here. Yeah. Okay, I'll have to get a spanner for that. Okay, but yeah, I'm just about ready. I'm charging the batteries on my other camera, so just doing what I can until I get those charged up. So this is what I got so far. Okay, now I want to turn this down and turn this up. Like that. Okay. Now all I need is an elbow, and I think I got one. Okay, so I got the new flow device put in here. As you can see, I just put that elbow on, ran that down, put a longer PEX hose on there with a bend to meet it up to that line right here. And as of right now, there's no leaks, and so hopefully things will be okay. Yeah, you can see that in there. And it's got contact and everything. And so let's see. It appears to be reading okay. There's my name right there. And there's the pressure and the temperature. Okay. So it appears to be doing okay right now. And so that's all I got, folks. As you can see, I got a pretty crowded area back here. And so this is my third flow device. The other two had temperature and pressure problems. And so hopefully this one is the fix. And so we'll find out. Have a great day and stay healthy.